You're probably thinking, damn, he looks sick, and that's because I am. So just a few days ago, I was actually able to get into the tattoo chair and add to my color sleeve. And that tattoo cost $1,200 and I got it on my forearm. And I know a lot of you in the Evolve community really want to see it because I've been getting a bunch of comments on it. So today I'm gonna share my $1,200 colored DBZ tattoo. And on top of showing you my new tattoo, I'm gonna share the whole thought process that happened between me and my tattoo artist to come up with this design. And I would love to know what you think of my new tattoo, so make sure you leave a comment below. Do you love it, hate it, not really your thing? Leave a comment below and let me know. Oh, and if this is your first time here, my name's Mike. Welcome to EvolveINK. We talk all about tattoos on this channel. So if you enjoy tattoos, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification to join the Evolve community. Just a little history lesson. So right now I have a full black and gray realism sleeve that I got pretty much completely done. But on top of that one, I wanted to get a full color sleeve with the theme of Dragon Ball Z. I always loved DBZ, and yes, I'm a nerd at heart. Now, before the whole world shut down, I had this whole sleeve planned out and ready to go. I was so excited about it, but then everything closed and I pretty much was only able to get one session done. And then after that, couldn't get back into the tattoo shop. And then on top of that, when they actually started to open back up, all the appointments had to get rescheduled and it just made me wait even longer. So it's been about a good year and a half that I was able to get into the tattoo chair. But just a few days ago, I was actually able to add to it, and I couldn't have been more happier. Now, like I talked about on this channel before, when it comes to building a sleeve tattoo, it's always good to get your ideas together, come up with a set design, and then let that idea marinate. Really think about it and sleep on it for a little bit, because chances are you're gonna come up with an even better idea and you're gonna switch some things around or maybe switch some characters, and you're gonna end up getting a sleeve tattoo that you'll love even more. And because of me having to get rescheduled, that actually happened to me. I actually thought of an even cooler design. I brought it up to my tattoo artist, emailing back and forth. And when we came up with that new design, my lust for getting the tattoo was even greater. Take it from me, if you're planning on getting a sleeve tattoo, don't run with the first idea that you come up with. Always think about it and just let it marinate, as I said before. Now, with that being said, let's show you my new tattoo. Now, it's still very early into the healing process of the tattoo. It looks like it's just starting to prepare to peel, as you can see right here. So don't mind the little peels. It's gonna get worse in a couple of days, and I actually have some videos in store for you guys showing you literally the healing process and what to do day by day. It's gonna be sick. So when I was planning out this sleeve tattoo, it was such a hard decision to come up with what characters and what kind of designs I wanted to incorporate. But when it comes to sleeve tattoos, you only have so much real estate on the arms. I had to choose wisely, and I had to be really clever with the designs. And also I got my tattoo artist Matt to help me out with that. If I'm familiar with Dragon Ball Z, the character that I got tattooed on me is Vegeta, the prince of all Saiyans. Again, I couldn't be nerdy. The reason why I got red hair Vegeta, aside from everything else, because in one of the movies that you could see right here, when I saw it in theaters, it just made such a huge impact in my life, and it made my fanboyness come out like crazy. And I was like, as soon as I saw Vegeta in that form, I was like, I need to get that tattooed on me ASAP. Okay, so the design. Now, my tattoo artist looked at a bunch of different pictures of Vegeta and incorporated what I wanted him to portray. I wanted him to look cool, calm, and collected like he's supposed to look in this form. So my tattoo artist and I got a bunch of reference photos together. Now, the original design that I wanted tattooed on me, which you could see right here, it just really didn't fit well on my arm. And keep that in mind, when it comes to tattoo placement, not all designs work on each part of the body. So we came up with what you see right here, pretty close to the original design. My tattoo artist came up with something a little bit better that will fit on my arm perfectly. So moving on to the lower portion of the tattoo, like I addressed earlier, when I was coming up with this sleeve design, it was really hard to pick and choose what characters I wanted to incorporate in the sleeve. So I told my tattoo artist what characters I wanted into it, and we had to get clever with the design. I knew I wanted to incorporate one of the other characters, his name is Broly, that you see right here in the sleeve, but I didn't really know or have the space to put him anywhere. So me and my tattoo artist figured that we would have a very small scene by the wrist from when Vegeta and Broly fight. Now I know this sounds a little weird because not everybody knows what Dragon Ball Z is, but just stick with me. So in the scene, as you can see right here, these two characters are fighting in like a snowy mountain landscape, and I really wanted to incorporate that in the sleeve somewhere. So what my tattoo artist did was shrunk down the two characters and had them not really too detailed, but really made the mountains stand out bright and blue and detailed with that, which he killed it. And when it comes to the muscle definition, say in this character Broly, and also like the fire like aura around Vegeta, he absolutely went insane with that. I couldn't be happier. Now when it comes to like the facial features in the smaller designs, when it comes to that small of a design to get tattooed on you, it's really hard for you to get a really detailed look. And because it's so small, it just doesn't really look right. And in the back where it wraps around my arm, the energy blast, just the glow and the light portrayal that my tattoo artist did, it looks so realistic. And you know, a lot of people, they see the forefront. Just the detail in this whole tattoo, when it was fully finished, I was ecstatic. Like the shine in the armor, the detail in the face, the shadows and everything, the light portrayal and like the energy ball. I'm so happy with everything. So again, thank you, Matt. So I would love to know what you guys think of my new tattoo. Do you love it? Do you hate it? Don't pull any punches. Leave a comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell notification just so you don't miss future videos. And I will see you in the next video. So peace.